Hi, I'm Karthik Rannan. I'm the president of the Wall Street Club of BITS Pilani Hyderabad campus. Yes, so the collaboration with XLR was an excellent one. We conducted a Power BI workshop with Advanced Excel over a span of 3 days. The workshop was almost 12 hours long in total. Mr. Karthik, who was an amazing trainer, helped the students understand the concepts deeply. I'm sure that the students will be able to apply these concepts in their careers as well as their daily lives while they try to navigate the world of finance. I'm happy that we'll be able to close this workshop successfully on a very good note.
Hi, I'm Raghunendra Singh and I'm the Technical Director of the Wall Street Club at BITS Pilani Hyderabad campus. It was a great amazing conducting this workshop with XLR. The trainer, Mr. Karthik, was an excellent person where he explained in very detailed manner on how to give great insights using very complex data sets, which was very helpful for the people who are interested in the field of finance, business or analytics in general. Thank you.
I attended a workshop conducted by CSA and ACM in collaboration with XLR. So it was a machine learning workshop. We learned a lot from the course and it was a great experience attending the workshop.
The trainer was very helpful. He had a hands-on approach with his teaching and it was fabulous.
This was a great experience for me. So I would absolutely love it if XLR and its team would come again to our campus and conduct more events like this.
The journey was great. Initially, I thought that I was not proficient enough in Excel, but later I came to know there was no prerequisites for it, and then I applied for it, and it was a great course, and it started from basics and took me to a great extent.
Good evening, myself Kavya Ganatra. I am from Computer Science Association. I was the POC for this ML workshop conducted by CSA and ACM in collaboration with XLR. The experience of the workshop was really nice. The feedback from all the students was positive. They understood the concept. The workshop was also practical based with some questions. The experience with XLR was very smooth. They helped us in conducting the workshop smoothly right from the booking of the vendor and deciding the course till the distribution of certificates. In overall, this workshop was a success during our technical fest Atmos, and I thank XLR for being a part of it. Thank you.
Yeah, hello everyone. My name is Tasneem. I'm the senior manager at 98 percentile in the HR department. And today we did a wonderful drive with XLR. It was amazing right from the very beginning, from the very first day when I got in touch with them till today. I think it was an extremely smooth journey with them. There were multiple follow-ups done by the representatives in order to check that we would be, what time would be coming, how many people would be coming, what vehicle we would get. To that extent, they were so precise in giving all the information to us. It was extremely great to get associated with them and have a drive at XLR campus. So we are very, very happy that we got a chance to do this. Now, coming to the students, what XLR had, I think they were extremely enthusiastic. They were well prepared. They were aware of what they are coming for. I think there was some back end preparation which they did that was commendable. They also were very confident and they were open to any kind of thing we were asking them to do. That was I think the best part. Now, I really hope we have a very, very fruitful association with each one of them and XLR in future. We are really looking forward to have many more drives like this.
Good afternoon, everyone. So, Gavri, you can start the session.
Okay, Chandana. So yes, good afternoon, everyone. I'm audible? Everyone, I'm audible or not? Jagdish, Yamuna, Shweta. No response, guys. Put message in chat box, everyone. Okay, what about others? Only 3 persons active. 138 people, 142. Yes, good afternoon. Guys. So my screen is visible, everyone. Okay. Screen is not visible. No, ma'am.
It's visible, Gauri.
Okay. Chandana need to wait because students are joining. 2, 3 minutes.
Okay. We'll wait at least 2 minutes. Okay. After that.
2 minutes only. Huh.
Okay.
Huh. Yes, yes. Yes, yes. Good afternoon. Yes, listen everyone now. So first of all, we'll start what is full stack. Okay, so everyone before just tell me your background is CSC background, then civil background, mechanical background. Just put one message in your chat box. EC, okay. CSC, civil. Okay. Yeah, yeah. Very nice. BCA. Okay, IT. Okay. So, okay, guys, listen now, everyone. So, guys, you have an idea about what is the full stack? What is the meaning of full stack? What is the meaning of full stack? You have an idea about CSC students, IT students? No idea. If you have an idea, say yes. If no, then say no. Okay, Tejaswini, nice. What about the others? Yes. Okay, what idea you have, guys? Tell me. Front end and back end. Okay. Front end, back end. Okay. Then only front end and back end means full stack. Correct. 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 Database also. Yes. 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 Nice. Nice. So everyone listen. What is the meaning of full stack? Full stack means combination of front end plus database and database plus back end. So where we use this front end part, database part and back end part. Now, for example, everyone you know about Amazon website, Flipkart website, then Meesho, multiple website. Okay, e-commerce website. Everyone know about e-commerce website? So in this website, guys, see, if you open the any website, check some front page is there. Some images like shoes compartment, different types of components is there. Different types of components is there. See? So this type of components, how to design? By using front end or back end, guys. If I want to design some compartment, okay, for example, I want to design some Amazon website. Okay. Or else I want to design entire Amazon, not website, application. So if you want to design any kind of application, you need knowledge of front end also, database also, and back end also. So now we will take the example of Amazon. We will take the example of Amazon. Okay. Now, inside in that Amazon, if I need to perform, if I need to design the front end part, entire design part, what is the meaning of front end? Front end means designing. Front end means designing. Visualization. Front end means designing and visualization part. So what is the visualization part? Only you can see this. Only you can see this part. Means if you want to see for top section is different, for jeans section is different, for shoes section is there. So by using front end part, you can design the entire website. You can design the entire application. But how to design? So here you need to use some languages, coding languages. What type of languages you need to use? Anyone knows for front end? What type of languages we need to use? Anyone? I want to design entire front end page for Amazon. Yes, HTML, CSS, JS, Express, Node, React. This is extreme level. Yes, Bootstrap. So basic is important. Okay. This Node.js part and all these are libraries. Okay, but basic is JS. And inside in that JS, your React JS is one library, Node.js is one library like that. Okay. So guys, see, listen, if you want to design the front end part, any kind of application, any kind of website, if you want to design, you need the visualization part and designing part. By using front end, you can design. So in that, by using HTML, CSS, JS and Bootstrap, you can design the front end. Sheikh Fayaz, Spring and JSP, this is the backend part. Okay, entire Spring framework, JSP, this is the backend part. In Java, they will use the backend for backend. Okay, so for designing purpose, for front end purpose, only HTML, CSS, JS and Bootstrap. Okay, now listen guys. So first I will tell you about the front end. So what is the meaning of front end? See, front end. So front end have HTML, then CSS, then JS, and then Bootstrap. Now guys, what is the meaning of HTML? First, for example, I have one car. Something car is there. Okay. Okay. Now, by using HTML, you can design the car. By HTML, by using HTML, yes, scripting language, correct. Yes, skeleton, correct. So, by using HTML, you can designing the purpose. Why we use HTML? For the designing purpose. Why we use HTML? For designing purpose. I will design by using HTML. I will design one simple car. Okay. Now, if I create simple car, in that no color on means no color, then no tire color, nothing, no proper modification. So I want to modify. I want to give the color. So by using HTML, you can create one only raw car. Okay. But now I want to provide some special effects. I want to provide some special effects. What type of effects? Some color. Then I want to write one name in that, some Mercedes, BMW, like that. So by using CSS, you can provide the color, background color, all type of properties you can design it. See, by using HTML, you can give the designing. By using CSS, you can provide the style to the car. By using CSS, you can provide the style. For example, car is there. Now give the red color. Here give the black color. Done. That's it. So by using CSS, you can give the styling property to the car. Okay, by using HTML, CSS, entire car is designing. I want to show my car is moving. Then my car, I want to show some tire is moving, speedometer is working. So how? By using JS, you can give the dynamic behavior to the car. By JS, you can give the dynamic behavior to the car. Okay. So now, first of all, once again, repeat. See, by using front end, why we use front end? Only for designing purpose. Correct or not? So by using HTML, you can design one raw car. Okay. Only if you design the car, no color, then no tire, nothing. Then what will happen? No one ready to buy this car. Okay. I want to provide some styling. So how to provide the style? I want to provide color, border, some properties, extra properties, modification. I want to modify. So by using CSS, you can provide the style to the car. After that, I want to show this car is moving, this car is dancing, something I want to show. So by using JS, you can provide the dynamic behavior. But what is the meaning of Bootstrap? So Bootstrap, why we use? So Bootstrap is used for the responsive layout. So responsive layout means, see, by using CSS, you can provide the properties. It's okay. But why we use Bootstrap? In that Bootstrap, some inbuilt classes is there. So no need to use CSS property. Just by using classes, you can provide the style to the class. Okay, this is additional part. Bootstrap, it is a additional part. But main part is HTML, CSS and JS. By using Bootstrap, you can provide the only responsive layout. What is the responsive layout? By using classes, you can provide the layout to the same styling property. But instead of declare styling, you need to give the some classes. So this is the entire front-end part. Okay, ma'am, front-end part designing completed. Now I want to entire details of store. I want to store the car detail inside the database. It's possible. Means, for example, 100 of, I have one car shop and in that 100 of cars I want to store inside in the database. Okay. 100 of cars manually if you return means it's very difficult. If you want to find some data, for example, I want to find some 121 car number data. So you need to check, you need to write manually so many things. So instead of this, you have database. So why we use the database? Database means for using the CRUD operation and storing the lots of data. Storing the lots of data. So what is the meaning of database? Database is one type of place in that you can store the data by using systematic and organized manner. Systematic or organized manner. Again, I will repeat. What is the database? Database is one type of place in that you can store data with systematic and organized manner. So, if you store the data anytime, if anyone asks, I want data, some 121 number car data, I want. Okay. Car name, car number, car color, then something characteristics I want. So how? Just you need to go to the database and search. Easily you can retrieve. So why we use the database? By performing the CRUD operation. What is the meaning of CRUD operation? Create the data, read the data, update the data, and delete the data. So you can perform modification. You can perform CRUD operation on database. Why we use database? To store the data, to retrieve the data. Okay, ma'am. Front-end part designing completed. I want to store multiple cars inside in the database. Okay, car also completed. But I want give some human logics I want to perform. What is the meaning of backend? Backend means entire logic, human logic. Backend means entire human logic. What is the human logic? For example, inside in that car. Okay. Inside in that car, speedometer is there. Correct? Speedometer is there. Or some petrol engine, something is there. Okay. So behind in that speedometer, what type of logic programmer implemented? You know about this of logic? No. No one knows about this logic. What type of logic programmer implemented? Check the speed. So this is the backend logic. So if you want, for example, say leave it car. Okay, just stop. I will tell you about the banking system. Okay, everyone knows about the banking system? Everyone knows about the banking system? For example, listen everyone. Username, password, then log. So guys, first of all, I want to design the page. How to design this page? Unmute yourself or put one message. How to design the page? How to design this page? Yes, by using HTML, CSS, you can design the page. I want to show, now listen everyone. Now, inside database, 3 username and 3 password is there. Okay, inside database, 3 username and 3 password is present. Okay, example, just let us consider inside in that one database, 3 username and 3 password is already present. Now, inside in that backend, why we use the backend? So what I told, backend means human logics. Backend means human logic. Inside in that you can write down any kind of human logic. For example, first password is SBI, username is SBI, and SBI @123, it is my password. Okay, I want to click on login button. And whenever I log in, I want to render my one home. So here you need to give some logic, correct or not? So what type of logic you need to give? If username and password is matched, then only you can render the home page, correct or not? If username and password is matched, then only you can render the login page. So here you need to write the which type of logic? Backend logic. So backend logic, if you write what purpose? Human logic. So what language here we are using? Here we are using in Java full stack. Means here we are using only Java. So inside in Java, so many different things is there. Spring Boot is there, Spring Framework is there to create the application. REST API is there to create the application. So many things. So for backend, we are using which language? Java. For frontend, we are using which language? HTML, CSS, JS. But for database, if you want to store the database, inside in the database, you can store by using SQL, structured query language. So everyone understood first of all, what is the full stack, what is front end, back end and database? Everyone, any doubts in that? Yes, Hibernate framework. Clear? Okay, everyone. 328 students. Only 4 to 5 replies. No doubt. Okay. Okay. Yes, guys. Now listen, everyone. Okay. Now screen is visible, everyone. Now screen is visible. Listen, everyone. See, Amazon website, everyone. Amazon website. So how to design this type of website? By using front end, by using HTML, by using CSS, it's okay. But how to design? See here, some behavior is there. See, if I click on this arrow, see, different things are showing. So how to set this behavior? By using JS, you can set this type of behavior. So what I told, by using JS, you can provide the dynamic behavior to the website. If I click, for example, see, if I just hovering, this is hovering effect. See this hovering effect, everyone. So how to give this hovering effect? By using HTML, by using CSS, you can provide the hovering effect to the websites. How to create the website? Nothing. By using HTML, create the raw structure. By using CSS, provide the styling, provide some behavior, and by using JS, you can provide the dynamic behavior to the website. That's it. Your entire website will be created by using HTML, CSS, JS. And now if I click on air conditioners, see multiple types of AC they are showing. See here multiple types of AC they are showing. How it's possible? What I told, inside database you can store all kind of database, multiple values you can store inside database, systematic and organized way. So inside database your particular AC image, then about, see here everyone, see inside database entire explanation about the AC, what is the real price, calculation also. Then after that, some bank offers, all things you can store inside the database. What you want to see, everyone listen. For visualization part, what is the meaning visualization? Whatever you design, this is visualization. But backend logic, it's not visible. Backend logic never visible. Why? Because see, particular functionality is there. Only functionality will be shown, but implementation won't. This is the backend. And what is the front end? Visualization, we can see anyone. See, visualization means you can see, but backend logic, never. So that's why. See, but what type of logic they implemented here? Here calculation is showing 32% they are showing 32% deduction. Original price 42,900. But after minus 32%, what is the price? 28. So here logic is implemented. Logic is showing no. So this logic is implemented human logic. Human logic means your backend logic. So everything is stored inside in that backend, and this one is stored inside in that. Logic is stored in that backend. Okay, but this data is stored inside in that database. So everyone understood how to create the website, how to provide all things. Everyone, any doubts? Any doubts? What about Angular JS? See, listen, first you need to learn HTML, CSS, and JS. Okay, after that JS, what you want combine with. It depends on if you are really want to web development, then you can go through the React JS, Angular JS. So Angular JS also it's one type of library. Okay, it's a front end part. If you want to combine with Spring Boot or something, entire full stack you want to combine with React JS or Angular JS. It depends. Okay, but first you need to learn basics. Then go. Angular JS is one type of library. Advanced concept. Okay, Sai? Others, any questions based on this demo session? What is the full stack inside in that HTML, CSS? Anything, any question based on technical languages? Any question? No question, everyone? $339 peoples. Any question is there or not? No, only one reply. What about others? Another example. Yes, yes, yes. I will give. Wait. Oh, see, here only will. Yes. Listen. See, for example, definition of full stack you want. Full stack means combination of backend, then front end, and plus database. This is your main definition. Full stack means entire. How to? What is the meaning of full stack? By using full stack, you can create the developed entire application, create the website by using backend, by using front end, and by using database. This is the full stack. Understood, Gangadhar? See, guys, want to create one hospital application. Create. I want to create one hospital application. Guys, anyone tell me for hospital, I need some entities. No, Swati. Full stack and web development is different. See, listen. Full stack means entire. Full stack means backend part also there, database part also there, and front end part also there. You need to means if you anyone told you need to work on full stack, then you need to work on all three process. Means front end also you need to design, database also you need to check, then a backend logic also you need to check. But if you want web development means only designing part. HTML, CSS, JS, Bootstrap, React JS, Angular JS, Node JS. This is a front end part. For web development, you need to use only HTML, CSS, JS, like that for web development. But entire full stack means all three parts. Understood, Swati? Node.js is backend. Yes, yes. Patient, doctor, treatment, medical, record is entity. Correct. Full stack Java means designing front-end, database, backend. Yes. Ma'am, will you teach overall combination of front-end, backend, database, all connection each other, ma'am? Yes, 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 yes. Yes. Means now only HTML part. Only front-end part, not entire completed. But if you join the full stack course, then front-end, back-end, database, all will. Okay, Sheikh? How to connect, how to retrieve the data for front-end, back-end, all things. See, yes, inside hospital, patient is one entity, doctor is one entity. Then guys, what you know? How many entities? Tell me. Patient, doctor, okay, registration, medical record, rooms, bills. In embedded system, we can use Java full stack application. Means which embedded system? What you want? Embedded system. See, this one also one course is there. Java full stack means entire whatever your application. See, by using Java full stack, you can create any kind of application. Any kind of application, web development, web application, and you can create a simple website also, all things. Nurse is there, patient is there, doctor is there. After that, medical is there. So it's different entities is there inside in that office. Okay. So if I want to create any kind of application, first I need to check the raw things. Okay. What is the main entity? And based entity, you need to design some forms. Based on entity, you need to design some forms. So obviously, for example, guys, if you open any kind of application, first what they will ask? Login form. First, what is the main form? Is the login form. Okay. Inside login form, you need to put your username and password. Correct or not? You need to put your username, password, or else you need to create a sign. You need to create the sign. Now, listen here. If you put username and password, and if you enter login button, and they will give you some message. What kind of message? Username and password is not matched. Your account is not existed, or else your account already existed, but your password is not matched. But this all type of condition, this all type of pop-up message is stored inside the backend part. This all type of pop-up message stored, this all type of human logic stored inside in that backend part. What kind of logic? If user is equal to password, it's not matched. If it is matched, then login successfully. If it is not matched, else if condition. If it is not matched, then they will check. You need to sign in, or else already account is existed. So how to find? You have entire things. So they will check in your database. This particular username is there. They will check row by row in your database. This password is there? No. So immediately they will throw the error. How? By using the backend part. You can design this part by using front end. If you want to check, you can use the backend part and by using database. So understood everyone? You want one more example? So before you need login form created successfully, then you can access patient, doctor, nurse, medical. How many? See, patient data, it's not means it's hider. Need to hide. Why? Because this is a patient record. But how many doctors are working in hospital? What kind of compound medical record means how many medicals are there? If you want to check any kind of information based on hospital or something, doctor name, doctor education, something. So you need to first log in and go through the entity. And by entity, all information is available. So how to create the website? By using the Java full stack. So what is the Java full stack? Front end, back end, and database. all kind of data. Entire hospital data is stored inside the database. Any kind of data if you want to retrieve, patient data you want to retrieve, so you can use by using the database. Understood everyone? Any doubts? Yes, Bhargavi, listen. I will tell you. Difference between front end and back end. Okay, listen. Bhargavi. So what is the front end? Front end means visualization part. For client side and server side also. In server side, we are designing, so obviously client side, server side, both will design. After that, this is your designing part. This is your designing part. Okay, what is the meaning of backend part? What is the meaning of backend? Here you need to write the human logics. What is the human logics? By using Java. Here by using HTML, CSS and JS. So what kind of human logics? This is not visualization part. This is not visualization part. This is the coding part, programming part. Programming part. So backend means designing part, only visualization. But what kind of logics they are implemented, it's not visualized, it's hiding. So backend part means hidden part. Only server side visible. For example, Bhargavi, listen, if you create one application by using front end, back end and database. Okay, you create one cloth application. Okay, online shopping, e-commerce application. Tell me, if you want to show the different types of shoes, sorry, different types of jeans, tops, something you want to show. So if you want to show by using HTML, CSS, JS, you can design by using front end. But what is the back end? If you click on top, you want to show some price, then fabric, something, amount, GST, something you want to show. So by using database, you can show this entire all things. But you want to perform some calculation. If you press on Google Pay, if you click on Google Pay, if you click on Phone Pay, then some charges will be deducted if you want to perform this type of calculation. So by using backend logic, you can perform this type of calculation. For client, it's not visible, but for you, it's visible. Why? Because you are a developer, you are a programmer. So if you are a developer, means you know what type of logic you are implemented, but client don't know what type of logic you are implemented. Why? Because they are client. They want only how to buy, how to purchase. But what you know, you are programmer, you are developer. So how to design, how to logic implemented inside database, what type of data you want to store, it depends on. So this is the front end and back end. Understood now, Bhargavi? Instead of JS code, we can write the Java code. Yes, correct. How to apply Java full stack, ma'am? Is it program or CHIP? Cheap. Is it one type of program also? But you know what, Anisha? Full stack means it's now currently full demand. And if you want to apply, then ask to HR team. But guys, currently, literally, I will tell you for Java full stack full demand course. See, listen, I will tell you one thing. Java full stack. Inside Java full stack, front end is there, correct? Database is there. and backend is there. Okay. Now, market. If you want to apply, yes. Listen. So, if you are joining the Java full stack course or something, okay, if you are completed Java full stack course, then market opportunities, front end developer. First opportunity, front end developer. Second opportunity, web development. Third opportunity, database manager. Fourth opportunity, backend developer or else database handler also. Backend developer. Fifth, Java developer. Sixth, full stack developer. Seventh, application developer. Eighth, associate software developer. So if you are completed a Java full stack course, in market you have these type of opportunities. Application developer, associate software developer, full stack developer, Java developer, backend developer, database manager, database handler, database developer, web developer, front-end developer. Means by using Java full stack, you are become a developer. How to create the application, how to host the website, how to develop the websites, web pages like that. So for market, it's all kind of opportunity. Currently, Java full stack means it's very evergreen. Okay, guys, understood? So for market purpose, so many. It's very means evergreen course. Java full stack means. Understood, everyone? Any doubts? Any doubts? Only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What about others? Others are sleeping, using phones. No doubts? So everyone understood what is the front end part, what is the back end part, and what is the database part? Front end is totally different. Only designing and only visualization. Back end is totally different. You need to implement your own logic. What is the average salary for these jobs? Yes. Software developer means entire full stack, and it depends on company also what they will give you, front end, back end, database, or client requirements. It depends on company also. But software developer and full stack developer means you need to handle all three parts. Average salary, see, for fresher, they will give you some 4 LPA, 5 LPA, some 6 LPA, 7 LPA. It depends on company. Yes. Yes, Afisha, belongs to backend only, not front end. SQL is belongs to backend because entire data is stored inside in that database. So as a backend only they will consider, but SQL is different type of language. Sai Nikhil, not about today. Tomorrow I will explain entire HTML tag. Tomorrow onwards I will start the HTML. Okay. Entire full stack I will tell. Charan, front end or back end not. Entire full stack I will take. If you know entire full stack, for you so many opportunities are there. If you go through only front end, then only web development, then you need to. But if you know entire full stack, so many opportunities. Janvi, no need to tell. All companies are hiring full stack developers. All companies. Because inside in that company, obviously they are developing some application, products, something based on products, they are doing some work. So all companies work on full stack developers. All companies. No MongoDB. Normal SQL, MySQL. Yes, obviously need to learn SQL. If you want to store the data inside database, you need to learn SQL, obviously. How to design the website by using HTML, CSS and JSS. You can design the website. You can provide the dynamic behavior to the website by using JS. And how to host the website by using application. You can host the website on Google page. By using SEO engine, you can host the website on Google. But by using, you can clone the website also. Same to same, Amazon to Amazon also, you can clone the website. If you know entire front end part, then clone. By using cloning, you can ditto websites. Anisha, your question is very different. But I will tell you, Java full stack means it is a primary only. You need to see, if you want all HTML tags and all things, you need to join Java full stack course. Then you will get. Okay, Sai, Nikhil. Yes, 1 to 2, 5 days have some Java. Sorry, it's 1 to 2. Yes. Web development and front end same. In that HTML, CSS, all tags and all things is there. Web designing you want by using, see, if you want, guys, listen everyone, if you want designing purpose, front end purpose, web development, you need to go through the entire HTML, CSS, Bootstrap and React just like that. Yes, from scratch only. How can I tell briefly? First you need to learn basic, then only briefly tools and all. Okay. What is the difference between full stack Java and full stack map? Full stack means entire development. If you want to develop the application, what you need? Designing part, then logic part and database part. This is your full stack. But what is the Java full stack? See, Python full stack is there. Inside in that Python full stack, you are using the Python language. Inside in that Java full stack, you are using the Java language. Understood, Chintu? Java full stack is there. So for your Java full stack, you need to use some different. Average salary for combination Java full stack and MERN and Android app. See, listen, focus on your one only. If you want MERN, then go to the MERN. If you want Android app developer, go to. If you want Java full stack, Java full stack. But focus on your one goal. So Java full stack, if you want, see, last salary is some 45-60 lakhs. But for fresher, salary is 5 LPA, 4.5, 6, 7. But mostly for fresher, 7 to 8 LPA. And big MNC is there, for example, Microsoft, Google. Then they will provide you 12 LPA, 13 LPA for full stack. Understood? Bachelor of Computer BCA degree is enough to get job, ma'am. Apply on Naukri, LinkedIn, just fill the form, then you will understood. It is enough, but if you join the Java full stack course or if you know entire full stack, then it's enough. But a master degree, if you want, but master degree it's full effective. You need to come. Master degree also important. More than bachelor's, masters is important because first preference is masters. Instead of bachelor, first preference is masters. So do masters also. It's my opinion, but I will tell. We'll see. Resume format and all I will tell. If you join the entire course, then obviously how to Naukri, how to build the Naukri profile, then LinkedIn, all things they will tell. XLR peoples. Entire Java full stack Charan. What I told entire in that session, all languages it's sufficient for website creation also and app creation also. And by using these languages only, they are creating apps and they are hiring the peoples based on this Java full stack only. for creation the app, for website creation, all things. In that only. Anyone, any question? What is meant by stack? Which is demand in full stack? All are demanding, guys. All are demanding. Don't means it depends on market, but all are demanding. But most of all, Java is evergreen. I will tell. Python means in that Python now AI, ML, ChatGPT, so many things. So based on instead of Python, I will tell go through the Java only. Any questions? What is CSS? Explain it, ma'am. CSS means you can provide. Already I told. See, listen. One type of skeleton. Okay. Shake. If freshers learn Java, what do companies expect from him, ma'am? Basic or full app? No, 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 no. Listen, Gangadhar. If you completed Java full stack also, na, they will give you training. First, what type of project they have. They will explain first project and what type of work you want. Designing, backend. First, they will explain. But not only basic. You need to crack the interview and depends on company, they will provide entire structure. This is our project. You need to work on this project like that they will tell. No need to full app development and all. Okay, module is there. They will give you module. In company, different modules are there. They will give you one module. You need to first study this module and then you need to start work. Okay, Gangadhar. And yes, Sheikh Idrus, listen. Listen, what is the CSS? Listen, CSS means cascading style sheet, providing styling to the designing. For example, listen. Everyone listen. Okay. Wait. I will tell about database. So listen. I have this square. Okay. Now, I want to fill here inside in that square. I want to fill black color. So by using CSS property, you can fill the back color. I want to give some background image also. So by using CSS, you can provide background image. I want some content, some everyone you know about the scrolling effects and all. So if you want to do the effects, you need to by using CSS, you can provide the all styling, colors, text properties, then border properties, utilities, flex properties, so many things. So by using CSS, you can view the styling to the web page. Understood now? Understood now? Sheikh, what is the CSS? First of all, okay. Freshers learn explained, okay. Tell us little about, see, database means in that all type of data is stored. For example, now here some 300, 400 students are there. So now I want to write down your name. So instead of manually, I will directly fetch your data and all student information I will store in database. Means anyone, if HR will come and HR wants some student information. So immediately I will give the database copy. Immediately I will show the database. This is the student database. What you want, you can check. If they want some retrieve the data. If I want, for example, listen. I have this student. Okay, some 1, 2, 3, 4 student is there. Name is A, B, C, D. 50, 60, 70, 80 percentage. I want to modify here what I want to retrieve the data. The students have 50%. I want to retrieve the data. Students have 60%. So by using database, by using query language, I will retrieve the data. I need to fetch the query. Immediately they will return the all database values. So by using SQL, you can store the data, you can retrieve the data, you can performing the CRUD operation. Now understood? Gokul. Now understood? How many days to live sessions? Maybe 5 days. Currently, 5 days. If you join the full stack course, then it will take some 4 to 5 months. Why we use languages, Janvi, to create the application? Correct. So same here also, guys. If you want to create the single page application, multi-page, single page application, then you can go to the React.js. Golu. Okay, sorry, Golu. So guys, if you why we use the React.js, if you want to perform, if you want like single page application, single page website, so you can use the React.js. And TypeScript, Express, React.js, see, this is guys of JS libraries, guys. If you know JS and if you are interested to learn the JS library, you can learn the JS library. That's it. Not every day, only 5 days. Only 4 days we have HTML class. Ma'am is RT. AI will replace the full stack developer. AI is totally different and full stack is totally different. No, 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 Swati. So guys, that's it. Done everyone. Any doubts? Any doubts, guys? 330 students. Okay. No doubts. Okay. Okay. Provide the dynamic behavior. I shown one Amazon website. In that arrow is there. So if you click on arrow, some different types of images, some next page, like next page, they are showing some different things. So if you want to use the, if you want to provide the dynamic behavior to the website, you can use the JavaScript. Understood, Ruxana now? Dynamic behavior, runtime behavior. See, if you click on website, some runtime, they are scrolling automatically. So by using JavaScript, you can provide this type of variable behavior. Understood, everyone? Okay. What about others? Everyone understood or not? See, if you join the course, obviously we will provide the materials. Yes, yes, yes. It's enough. It's enough, Zaira. Golu, before only I told what is the full stack and what is web development. Web development only designing part and full stack means you need to handle designing also. This web development also in the front end part, back end part, and database part you need to handle in that entire full stack and web development means only designing part you need to handle. Akila, you need to talk. If you have any doubt, so you need to fill one feedback form, correct? So in that feedback form, you can ask this all type of question, price, duration, all things. Whatever you have doubts, you can ask it there. Obviously, it's looking both are same. In that common part is front end, you need to designing. So common part is front end, so you need to designing. Obviously, so it's common. But backend part is not there in web development. But inside in that full stack database and backend is there. Materials where we can get. Ask all questions, these materials, then all things you can ask to the HR. Okay. In HTML, who are using SQL? If you want to store the data, see, all are different parts. If you want to store the data, means multiple types of products if you want to store, then you can use the SQL. If you want to retrieve some data, then only you can use the SQL. HTML means only designing. If you want to retrieve, perform the CRUD operation based on some database, then only. Or you need to join the course, then only you will get the material. Before joining the course, how they will provide the entire materials. Yes. RDBMS only. I already joined the course. Then ask to your HR. Okay, they will feedback. In that feedback form, you can mention. What's your name? First, you need to learn the front end part, HTML, CSS, and JS. After that, you need to learn the SQL. After that, you need to learn the Java. After Java, one short period is there. In that, some SQL part is there. Because for advanced Java, for multi-threading and so many things, Spring Boot, Hibernate, you need to fire the queries. So that's why we need to learn the SQL. And after that SQL, advanced Java. It depends on your, means it depends on you, front end or back end, it depends on you. If you know entire front end and entire back end, then you only decide which one is. But for me, entire full stack. Yes, ML also good.
Hello, Gauri. If you're done with your session, we will wind up.
Yes, Chandana. Okay, guys. So bye everyone. Chandana,
Yeah.
if you want anything, then you can do.
Yeah, sure. I will inform. Thank you,
Okay.
Gauri. And thank you,
Yes.
students. We'll meet on tomorrow. Yeah.
Okay. Bye everyone.